Have you ever wanted fresh hot donuts at home in under 10 minutes? No deep fryer, no mess, just a donut maker and few simple ingredients. Today I'm showing you exactly how to make the perfect mini ring donuts from scratch. And these are so easy, incredibly fluffy, and honestly dangerous because you want to eat the whole batch. So let's get into it. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to go in with 180 grams of margarine, followed by 180 grams of sugar. And with my hand mixer, I'm going to cream this until it becomes light and fluffy. Now let me use this opportunity to thank all my viewers, both old and new, for always supporting the channel. I really appreciate you all. Now it's time to go in with my eggs. I'm using 4 eggs, but I'm going to beat in one at a time until I exhaust all 4, with 2 to 3 seconds between each eggs. Now it's time for the last one, but I'm going to go in with my strawberry essence and then vanilla essence before I mix the last one in. Now it's time for us to go in with our dry ingredients. So I'm going to go in with 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to sift this nicely into our wet mixture. I'll go ahead and add just a pinch of salt because my margarine already has salt in it, and fold in nicely until it becomes just like this. Okay, we do not want to overmix, if not our donuts will become dense. And then lastly, I'll go in with 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm using evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Okay, so that's just half of the milk. I'll fold that in gently and then go in with the rest of the half, fold that in as well, and then we are ready to bake our donuts. Now evaporated milk makes your batter or your donuts so rich and delicious, but as I mentioned, it's totally optional. You can use any of your choice. Now it's time for us to preheat our donut maker. You can use the light indicators or follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. So to a cup or mug, I've put in some Ziploc bag. I do not have piping bags available, so I'm improvising this for a piping bag. I'll add in some butter. Now in the absence of this, you can as well use your tablespoon or just a normal spoon to scoop the butter into the donut maker. Now our green light is on, which is an indication that our donut maker is ready. And so I'm going to just grease it with some oil, vegetable oil. If you have cooking spray, you can use that. And then we are going to pipe this in nicely. Do not overfill it, if not it will just overflow whilst it's baking. Okay, so just do it nicely like you see in the video, and then we cover this up. This cooks very quickly, like 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's ready in no time. So we'll cover and allow this to cook. Now this is after 3 minutes, and look at those perfectly golden mini ring donuts, ready in minutes. So we are just going to put this on our cooling rack for it to cool completely, and then we repeat the process until we are done using all the batter. So our second batch is also ready, and then we are going to add them onto the cooling rack, and then we are going to go ahead with the third, and this is our third batch as well. And in no time, guys, our soft, fluffy and delicious mini ring donuts are ready in minutes. No frying, no stress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe for more easy baking recipes. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye.